whatever he became, the sweet, kind, brilliant man that we once knew long ago.
He's gone.
Like this, biatch.
Short, fast, sweet, and to the point. What I'll be doing is installing, or not installing, whatever you want to call it, replacing my air filter. The only thing is I was gonna get a aftermarket cold air intake, but that shit is a waste of fucking money to me. There's no point at all. But it's not too hard to replace this. All you really need to do is unscrew that. Unscrew that. And there's one way over here. slide that out, loosen that up, pull it out the way. It just comes right up. Pull the old air filter out, put the new one in, screw it back in, and you're done just that quick. So as I'm unscrewing, I come to realize these are some long ass fucking screws, man. Shit. As long as my damn pinky. But anyway. Alright. Unplug this, loosen that up, pull this out. So now it's just the process of moving this up. And there's the old air filter right there. Let's see. Let me move this right here. Let's see how dirty this motherfucker is. Yeah. Yeah, I can see why they would say it needs to be clean. Let me show y'all the new one versus this one, so you can get a good idea of how much is different. Put that right there, and come on the back. Let's get this one. I dropped it on the ground, oh no. Alright. Side by side. Old, new. That's a big difference. Yep, just going in. Alright, new one in. All I gotta do is put that back on, hook that back up, plug that back in. Put those 3 long ass fucking screws back in. And I'm done. Took no time at all. A lot of people sometimes afraid to work on their own vehicles because they see a lot of moving parts, metal and things like that. And you never seen it before a day in your life, but it's really not too bad. You just save a lot of money doing a lot of vehicle maintenance yourself. I mean, once you learn it and you see what goes into it, it's really easy. It just seems kind of overwhelming when you first pop a hood and you see all this shit like this. You know, I get it. But yeah, you just take time to look into different parts of your car and you'll see it's just everything is straightforward. Even this damn long ass fucking screw that's taken me 30 years to screw in because it has a grudge against me for whatever reason. Fuck it. Alright. Put you right there. Alright. Tighten that up. Put all screws back into place. So the one thing left for me to do now is to just plug this back in. This is the easy part. Boom. Listen for the click. Push that back down. We in there like swimwear. And that's how you change an air filter in a 2020 Chevrolet Silverado RST 5.3 liter V8. And before I forget, always remember to do this, because I sure almost forgot. Get in, crank up, your menu and reset it. If you forget that shit, you ain't gonna know when to do it unless you just open it up and look at the filter yourself. Who wants to do that shit? Reset. Reset. Or yes, I'm sure I want to reset. Boom.
You think I'm scared of death? I've done it 1,000,000 times. I'm fucking great at it. How many times have you died?
Distance, to an end, to that worthless existence.